Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. My name is Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to talk about how you cut your ceiling tile for your in-ceiling speakers. So we get this question fairly often about how to cut your ceiling tile whenever you're getting ready to install your ceiling speakers. So here in front of us, I have some tools that are going to help me get this hole cut for my ceiling speaker. Today, we're using a 2 foot by 4 foot drop tile. I have measuring tape, I have my saw, and I have my utensil that I'm going to use for drawing my circle. I'm going to point out that I do have a tile bridge to help me today. We're using a C8 tile bridge, which is our 8-inch in-ceiling speaker. The recommended cutout size happens to be the same diameter of this tile bridge, which is 11.5 inches. So this is going to be really useful in getting the hole perfectly round in our tile. Now, since this is a 48-inch tile, I know that the center of this circle where the cutout's going to be is going to need to be 24 inches. And so the biggest thing is just making sure this is center. So I'm just going to make sure this is at 24 inches. Center is 24 inches. So now that I have it perfectly center here, make sure this is flush on the width side. I'm going to draw my circle using my pencil. Okay, so now we have our perfect circle. We are ready to cut. All right, so I've got my hole cut. Should look as circular as possible. Hopefully you had a steady hand. Don't worry if your edges aren't perfect. Your speaker is going to fill that hole. It's going to cover up some of those imperfections. So don't get too caught up in that. At this point, you're ready to install your speakers. So definitely use the tile bridges if they come with your speakers, and then just follow the instructions of the manual. If you're using our products, you can always call us, Pure Resonance Audio, and we'll be happy to walk you through it. Otherwise, hopefully this video was helpful on how to get your hole cut in preparation for your in-ceiling speakers. And until next time, thank you so much for joining us.